Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique cleaning solution, the Hizero F500 Hard Floor Cleaner. It promises a new way of cleaning without the traditional vacuum action. Let's see if it's worth the investment. The Hizero F500 stands out in the world of hard floor cleaners, and for a good reason. Instead of relying on suction, it employs a polymer super-absorbent roller that mimics the way animals lick up liquids and solids. Innovative, right? The magic happens when the roller rolls over dirt, gently grabbing liquids and solids. But what about emptying? That's where Hizero gets clever. The floor head has a wiper and brush roll that separate the dirt, neatly collecting solids in a 200 milliliters tray and liquids in a 600 milliliters dirty tank. Cleaning the components is a breeze, just rinse them under a tap. Cleaning with the Hizero F500 is a breeze. Fill the 500 milliliters clean water tank with a mix of Hizero's cleaning solution, and the cleaner automatically dispenses it while you clean. With 2 cleaning modes, it's adaptable to different cleaning needs. Some text goes here, so how does it perform? Impressive. The F500 tackles tough stains effectively, leaving floors barely wet. While it may take a bit longer to handle deeply embedded stains, its cleaning action is still quite remarkable. The gentleness of the roller makes it perfect for delicate floors. The F500 has its strengths, but it does have limitations. It can't reach tight edges like some other cleaners, but its ability to collect larger particles without suction is a game changer. The separation of dirt in the tray is something I've rarely seen in hard floor cleaners. Some text goes here worried about noise? Don't be. The Hizero F500 operates quietly at around 66.2 decibels. Battery life is solid, lasting around an hour on a single charge, making it suitable for cleaning a whole home. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The Hizero F500 is undoubtedly a premium solution and might not fit everyone's budget. There are alternatives like the Karcher EWM2, but it lacks the dirt separation prowess of the F500. Wrapping it up, the Hizero F500 is a refreshing take on hard floor cleaning. Its unique approach, gentle cleaning action, and excellent dirt separation make it stand out. However, the price tag might give you pause. If you have delicate floors and want a new cleaning experience, it's worth considering. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Until next time, stay curious and keep those floors sparkling clean.